Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to watch Streameast on iPhone so you can catch live sports directly on your device. Now let's get started. Step 1, open your browser by launching Safari or another browser like Chrome on your iPhone. This is where you can access websites and streaming services. Step 2, navigate to the Streameast website. Keep in mind the exact URL may change, so search for the current one if needed. This is where all live sports streams are listed. Step 3, find your game by browsing the homepage for the sport and match you want to watch. Selecting the right game ensures you're viewing the correct live event. Step 4, select a stream by clicking on the game and choosing one of the provided stream links. Sometimes you may need to try a few links if one doesn't work. Step 5, handle pop-ups by closing any ads or pop-up windows that appear. Clicking carefully around the page can help load the stream properly. Step 6, troubleshoot. If a stream doesn't work by refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, or trying a different link, this ensures you can still watch your game without interruption. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple and helpful iPhone tips.